Alright, hey guys, we just got to Devil's Lake, Wisconsin. We're just doing a quick hiking trip and we brought some vegan snacks, so I'm going to show you what we brought. We've got the 365 Island Hopper Trail Mix. This is a plum.
Or is that a pluot?
I think it's a pluot, yeah. So we're gonna...
It's a plum apricot hybrid.
Boom. We're about 10 minutes up this mountain-ish area. It's fun. We're just climbing up some rocks. It's kind of slippery, but it's beautiful up here. There's the lake down below and the unknown up above.
Yeah.